Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to disconnect earphone to our Samsung phone. Guys, you want to disconnect this earphone to your Samsung phone, so guys you can disconnect. And guys, now let's see how to disconnect it in our Samsung phone. So friend, first of all open your phone setting to disconnect it. Then guys, you can see your connection setting, so guys tap here, and guys you can see guys one device connected. So guys again tap here. So guys which earphone guys you have connected to your phone that you want to disconnect. As you can see the setting option, tap here, unpair, disconnect and rename option. So as you want to disconnect, you want to rename, you want to unpair, whatever you want. So as I told guys, you can want to disconnect, so guys click on disconnect, then we'll disconnect. Then guys you can see this red light means it has disconnected. We will off it. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect earphone to our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet in the next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.